Hello everyone, my name is Annie. Today I'm gonna show you how to make chart time series for precipitation data from satellite. First, you can go to the code editor after you log in this platform, and then just go to this make a script here. And how to find the datasets? Go to datasets, and here's okay need times. In this menu, you will find so many data sets and you can find which one you want to use. For example, here's you can find by all text or all data sets, but today I'm gonna show you how to find with all text menu. Here's you can, for example, precipitation. So there is 51 data sets. Click it. So here you will find so many data sets. Today I'm gonna use the GPM data sets. Find the GPMs. Okay, if you difficult to find it, maybe you can go to the script, your script, and just write GPM. So there is so many here. I will use this data. Okay, you can click it and okay. If you want to know the detail about this data, you can go to the descriptions. Okay, here's and if you want, go to the band, and you will find there is so many information here. Okay, I will use this for the band. I will use band for precipitation millimeter per hour. So it will be in uh sorry millimeter per hour. Okay, but the resolution, spatial resolution is 11 kilometers. Okay, just copy the snippet here. Copy is already copy, and then go to your script. For example, var pr, copy here, and do the filter date with yours, which date. For example, I want to know about in 2024 from January until February, and then just do the filter, select the bin. Okay, here before GPMs, go to the bands and find your band here. I have already mentioned before that I will use this data set, so it's already calibrate the precipitations. The result of the precipitation is already calibrated. Just copy it and then close. Copy here the band, and you can filter bounds with your ROI. Okay, I will try to use my ROI here. Okay, just go to my area. I will use data from my country here. Okay, Just for example, here, my ROI. Okay, okay, print it if you want to know how many data uh, that you have in this ROI. So here, okay, I have around 2,784 data sets because this data set is for the hour. The unit is hour, so we have in 2 months we have so many data set here. And after that, you can write your code for make a chart in time series data. Okay, we can see here, for example, here, click one image. Okay, you have only one band here. The band is precipitations, and the properties is okay for the time series. If you want to make a time series, this properties is very important. So we will use it for make it a times in chart in time series data. So how to make it? Just go to doc. Here you can find so many code, how to write code here. So for example, here, okay, to make it simple, just write chart here. There is so many type of chart that you can find. Here I will use a chart for time series, for example. So what is here? So for this one is from you, for your data set, and this one for your regions, and you need for region radius. This one for the statistical you will use for your data set. And this scale is the scale of your or the spatial resolutions for your image. Okay, for time series, this is very important. So you can write maybe the time start for make it different in every image. Okay, just run it and you will find the chart here. I think it's need time. Okay, for my area, so the statistical here I will use in mean. The I will get the mean value in every time. So this is the time and this is the precipitations value. Okay, we can see that. Okay, to make it clear, I will. Okay, in I think here is 11 January 2024. There is the highest precipitation in my ROI. And how to download it? If you want to download in CSV type, you can only click here, and you will get the value from this chart. If you want to download in the image type, you can just download with PNG, and you will get the this data set. Okay, I hope you learned something about this tutorial, how to make a chart time series data from precipitation. You can uh, apply it in your ROI or in the others case. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe and comment in my YouTube channel. See you.